In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to blur image in Canva. So let's get started. So here we are in Canva and I have my sample images right here. For example, I'm gonna go for this one right there. And then we would want to blur this image. So it's really easy on how you can do it here in Canva. You just need to click on the image, click on edit, and then you'd have this menu. So in here, you would want to click here on blur under effects. And then you could go for whole image and then you could go blur it as you can see on a whole image. But if you go for brush, you would be able to select which part here by using a brush. On the brush size, you can increase that and then the intensity of the blur. And as you can see, I could paint on it like this and part of it will be blurred, which is what I painted, right? And then you could also remove it if you want to, if there are some spots that you don't want to be blurred, just like that. And now, what if you just want to blur the subject in your image? So it's really easy also. You just need to select your image, click on edit. And then now you want to go into the magic grab instead of going for blur. And then you just want to grab the subject first. So it will be highlighted, click on it and click here on grab. And then you would now be able to separate your subject from the background so that you'd be able to blur your subject without blurring the background. Now it's grabbed. As you can see, I can now move it freely just like that. So it's really good feature right here. And then let's put it back. Now you want to select the subject, click on edit and go into blur again and go into whole image and then just blur the whole image right there. And as you can see, we now have blurred our subject. It's that easy. Next is that you could also go for a different kind of blur. Like you could go here into elements and then you want to search for blur. And then you can go here into graphics and then basically you have a lot of blurs right here, maybe something like this blur right here. You could also set the intensity just like that. And then you have some other blurs right here that you could use. So if you'd want some other kind of blur, other just the typical kind of blur, then you can do it right here on elements. So this is it on how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.